Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a monday.com account. First of all you have to do is open your Google Play Store or App Store on your phone and search for or type for monday.com on your App Store, and you'll see this application. Make sure this is the icon of the application, because sometimes there are so many similar applications from different accounts, so you have to make sure the app has been uploaded by monday.com and click on open. Now what you have to do is select create new account. You have two options: either you can sign up with Google or just manually with your email address. I will prefer Google account. Once selected, you will land on this page. I'm here for work, personal, or school. You can select any option, or you can also skip this step. So I will select personal. I'm here for personal. I'm a business owner, team leader, team member, freelancer. I will select freelancer. I'm here and in a company of 1 to 19, 20, you can select any of them. You can just also skip all of these questions if you don't want to answer all of these questions. So I will click on skip. Allow notifications, so I have to click on continue and allow my notifications to monday.com application. Once you're on this page, you have successfully created monday.com account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.